I will be styling my 2-year-old daughter's hair into these cute pigtails. Stay tuned so you can see how we achieve this look. Her hair has been freshly washed and is now air dried. We will begin using Curl's Poppin' Pineapple Collection So Fresh Scalp Treatment. I use a dime-sized amount of this product and gently massage it onto her scalp. I will part her hair down the middle to make 2 pigtails. Next, using the Poppin' Pineapple So Smooth Leave-In Conditioner, I will add a quarter-size amount to each section of her hair and then detangle with a Denman brush. Using a rubber band for her pigtail, we will then move over to the other side of her head and apply the same steps. Baby girl has type 3 hair. I love using the Curl's Poppin' Pineapple collection. It's formulated to enhance hair growth and decrease hair loss. It's lightweight and doesn't weigh her hair down, and it also helps with enhancing her curl pattern. I will be adding these braid beads to her ponytails for added decoration. I acquired these at my local beauty supply store. Finally, I will be using Eco Styler gel to lay down her edges using an edge control brush. And as you can see here, baby girl is not a fan of having her edges laid. And her look is complete. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos with the Pon Pon Sisters.